How can we create systems that help victims and survivors of crime heal? For years, we've served up only punishment and incarceration as justice, and it's left many crime survivors feeling like their needs weren't met. We know from talking to people in our communities that crime survivors want to feel safe, and they want the people that harmed them held accountable. People want to understand why they were harmed and try to make sense of everything that happened. It's important for people who were harmed and their loved ones to have forums to express themselves and get answers. The current system, however, provides few options. People are either steered toward court or the parole board. A victim impact statement is usually the only avenue of expression given, and the only measure of justice is how many years someone will spend in prison or under court supervision. Instead, what if we took money that would be spent on prisons and created county-wide restorative justice programs that offer a different way to feel justice was done? These initiatives could offer trauma counseling and social services to people who are harmed. They could also provide counseling to the person that caused harm to find out what led them to harm others. After deliberate preparation and with the consent of the crime survivor, these programs could facilitate a meeting between all parties with community members there to support all involved. Through these meetings, crime survivors would be empowered to hold the people who harmed them accountable, giving them an opportunity to express directly and safely how it felt, as well as ask any questions and name their needs. Since we want to help turn things around, it could also provide a place where the person who did the harm could express what they need in their lives to change for the better. In the end, a restorative agreement could be crafted that would include a plan to make things right by the crime survivor, the community, and, just as important, to the person who caused harm themselves. We can have a system of justice that places all involved parties at the center of the solutions and promotes healing. It's time we invest in transforming members of our communities instead of incarcerating them.